What's going on, everyone? Hope you all are having a great day today. Long time no see, but I've been kind of just figuring out what I needed to do with the Miata here. Of course, I still have tons and tons of things to do with the Miata, but we're still kind of working on just getting the car more drivable, especially to be on and off track too. So, what in the last video you saw that we put in the new radiator off camera. I actually ordered and got a new fan setup going on here, so we're not using those crappy fans anymore. They are nice and tucked in there. They're just Mishimoto fans, but for the meantime, the cooling system, we need to rebleed it again. But that's what we're kind of looking like right here. We're going to draw our attention away from the engine bay, and we're going to draw it towards the trunk here. And you know, a while ago, I put in those two brackets right there, just to hold the battery in place so it's not just flopping around, which is what I'm sure this whole mess is right here. The battery kind of flopping around the trunk and pushing the quarter panel outward like that. So that's kind of the plan. I picked up this little tin thing. It's already have like some bends in it and everything like that. Just a little piece of aluminum there. We're going to turn that into a makeshift battery tray. We're going to try and pull it a little bit out of the center of the car, or the quarter panel there. See how it's all sucked in there. We're going to try to pull it out a little bit, make the terminals more accessible. And we're going to find a way to tie it down properly. So that's going to be kind of the plan today. I spent most of my morning putting those fans in and kind of dialing in everything up front there. Still need to bleed the car, but that's going to be for a different day. And if we have time, I kind of want to make a switch panel, but I might make the switch panel a different video, just so there's more videos that we can make out of this. So that's going to be the plan. So let's hop into it. All right, so as you can see, the camera is nice and zoomed in, but what I did previously was I just took these two little elbow brackets and just shoved them against the battery, put self-tappers in, and call it a day. And you know, it's sturdy, but I just want something a little bit more secure. So that's kind of what we're going for here. We're gonna remove that, take the battery out, and kind of go from there and just play with it a little bit and kind of see what happens. So let's go ahead and remove said brackets. One is a 10mm for some reason, because that's what was in the car, and then the other one is a 11. So now we should be able to pull the battery out of its home, and now we can disconnect the battery and kind of play with the tree. Bear with me here. Yet another week has passed since that last clip you saw, and I was just on vacation. So now I'm back again, and when I was on vacation, I just decided to order a whole new just battery tie down. Just so I don't have to really fabricate anything. I'm just gonna make this one work. And this is what I got cooking up here. We got just a basic little thing from Amazon. So that's gonna do the job just right. It's just you just holds it all down securely. Well, it's not secure right now, but it will be secure. And that is just going to go in the back of the Miata. And I forgot to mention, when I put the new fans in, I had to take a lot of the stuff out to put the new fans in. So we're gonna have to re-bleed the cooling system again. And then it needs gas in it as well, because I feel like it might run out of gas, but I don't know. The gauge at least says it's on E. I don't know if the gauge works or not, but who knows? But yeah, we are just going to be cleaning that all up, and might give the WRX a bath today. But yeah, as far as that is all concerned, I'm just gonna go ahead and plop the new battery, or not the battery, the new tie down in the trunk, and that stage of the game, as far as battery security for the track is concerned, that should be all set to go. All right, so here it is, all fully installed there. Finally got it nice and secure. When I shake it, it shakes the whole car, so that's good. I just used my own hardware that I found in the garage, and just put a nut and a washer underneath, all four corners there. So battery is good to go. Now, like I said before, we need to re-bleed the cooling system, so I'm gonna put some coolant in there, fire it up, and turn the heat all the way on. And then, and only then, the Miata will be finally all put back together, and then we can actually do some fun stuff with the car, like brakes, and I might do something with the wheels. I don't know yet. But yeah, so far, so good. So anyways, let me catch you guys when we are bleeding the system. All right, so it sounds actually really good. I mean, there's still a little bit of valve train noise, but what Miata doesn't have valve train noise, but very good. I can feel the fans working. I haven't seen bubbles in a minute yet, but it sounds kind of aggressive from the back a little bit. But it's not quite warm all the way, or at all really, but so far so good. I haven't really ran into any issues. Last time I did the coolant, the first time, it was it wasn't as planned, but yeah, I think this is finally going to be a full actual bleed this time. Hopefully I'm not here for hours like it was last time, but I'm just going to let it warm up a little bit all the way, and just kind of see what happens. All right, so just chilling. I took the funnel off, and now we're just rerunning it again, and have the heat on again. Everything is looking great. The coolant temperature isn't rising or anything. So far so good. I mean, the car isn't overheating. Everything is staying the same. I don't really know how well I trust these 30-some-year-old gauges, but yeah. But according to the gauge, it's okay. But I'm really hyped. I got the battery figured out, and the coolant is officially bled with brand new radiator and fans. No leaks of coolant, at least. I know there's probably a little baby oil leak somewhere, but we can address that later. But yeah, as far as everything is looking good, which is what we need. We need everything to look good. So there you go. All right, so I might just wrap up the video here. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but most likely gonna wrap up the video here. And yeah, checked off 2 more things on the Miata that I wanted to do. Next video, we're going to be getting more in-depth video on it for sure. But as far as the WRX goes, the only thing that I have for it at the moment is I got my old grill for the front bumper. I have a regular blue emblem on the front right here, and then on the back I have a carbon one. So before we go to any shows this year, I'm gonna have to switch it back out to the carbon one. But